When in doubt, ask your users. They'll tell you. Hey everyone, welcome to Healthcare at the Edge, where we explore the intersection of healthcare and technology. My name is Samuel, and I want to talk about how much work we have left to do to enable our users to have a better experience on the platforms that they use. I came across an article recently that reported how a hospital in Boston, I think it's Brigham and Women's in Boston, had this really cool initiative where they created a team and they asked all of their end users basically for really quick, easy ways, and they crowdsourced ideas to improve whatever. If something that could have been improved digitally by using a digital process or a tool, they wanted ideas of how to make things better. And they had some phenomenal results. It was just really cool to see the different pieces. They wanted only like 100, hoping for about 100 suggestions, and they got well over 200 different suggestions. And over 80% of the suggestions to make life easier was from people directly on the front lines, people in non-management roles, frontline care, nurses, technical staff, housekeeping. All these people were submitting ideas to this group to make life better in their systems. And so that's a lot of what we have to look at today, is to say, are we asking our users what will make their life better? Do we actually really spend the time to get to hear their answers? So I really commend what they did of taking this group, going out to the individual work units, sitting in the break rooms, one, explaining the process really well. This is what we're looking for. This is how we're going to decide what is or is not a good idea. These are the criteria. Here's the process to submit your idea. And we're going to give quick action to implement these ideas and these improvements. So much of healthcare is process oriented for very good reasons. There's a lot of things that need to be done by the book, in process, and according to different things. So very good reasons for it. But what if we could improve those processes? What if that one form that still is in paper could be converted to a digital format? What if that one series of clicks to order that one thing or to accomplish that one goal could be streamlined or have an automated workflow of some kind? We've got to ask our users. So I've actually heard a lot of leaders that are asking their teams to get out into the nursing units. Now, they may not be out there right now as the pandemic still is affecting our systems, but get out there, talk to the users, hear from them, understand what's going on. That's one of the first steps we got to do. I mean, ideally, we're going to eventually get to the place where we're actually able to hear from patients. We're actually able to incorporate what makes their lives easier as well, not just what makes our hospital system's life easier. But we have to do that too. We can't do one without the other, and we have to have both. So go ask your users. What's working for them? What's not working for them? What do they like? What don't they like? What can we improve? And you will earn so much goodwill on the nursing floor if you come in and say, we recognize there's a problem in this. We want to hear your ideas, and we're going to execute on a change to make it better. Man, they'll love you. They'll come to IT and they'll come to all the different application groups and say, we appreciate this. And we have more ideas. We have other things that we can do. They start seeing a little success. All of a sudden, you'll have more ideas and ways to improve the life of your care teams than you ever thought possible. So go ask your users. They know what's up, and they will tell you. Hey, I want to hear your comments, concerns, challenges, and critiques, and we'll see you soon.